So we're in a place called Pt2. There is a nice beach down there, but it's absolutely rammed with motorhomes and people, as are pretty much all the beaches now. So it's really difficult to park. With the housing crisis that you have in the Canary Islands, a majority of people are forced to live in caravans and motorhomes, and obviously they park in the nicest places because they're nice places. So you can't really blame them, but it does make you feel a bit uncomfortable. So we've come to take a look around this abandoned hotel that was built, I believe, in the 90s and then just got left as a skeletal structure. So we're going to have a look around and take you guys with us. As you can see, they built the roads, all the infrastructure, but didn't get to finish it. There you can see all the caravans and the motorhomes. It is Monday, it's Monday the 2nd of June at the moment, and we've just had the, I think it's called Del Dia de la Canarias or something like that. It's like the Day of the Canaries, so it's the day that Spain recognises the Canary Islands and their importance basically to the economy and what they do. So yes, it's really good, but obviously makes everywhere really busy. So today things are just quietening down. Most people would have gone yesterday, and then you know, the remaining sort of people would probably go home today, I would have thought. But yeah, really interesting, this place. As you can see, Liam's a little bit braver than us. Still has his youth. Give us a wave, Liam. camera. Don't look at the camera.
Well,
Don't look at the camera. The camera's not there.
Right.
Are you having fun? Nope. So we have arrived back in Castillo Lanzarote with Liam and Shannon. I was just going to drop them down to their villa in Playa and take them shopping at the British supermarket. And then pick the dog up, get back here, have a shower, get changed, and then it's off to the airport to meet everyone. It's very exciting. We're really looking forward to seeing them. It's been nearly 3 months since we've seen our family, and it's the first time they're coming out to meet us out here. So yeah, we'll see you soon. So we've just got down to Playa Blanca, and the first stop for Liam and Shannon is the Overseas supermarket, which is Co-op, Iceland and Morrison's, all the food imported from the UK. So you can get all of your home comforts. So this is the Overseas supermarket in Playa Blanca. It's in the Castillo de Agua area of Playa Blanca near the Marina Rubicon. You can get all of your Greggs sausage rolls from the frozen department, your Warburton's bread, Co-op food, Morrison's food, Iceland's food. It's all there. I mean, obviously when you come on holiday you want to eat the local food, but there's the odd thing, you know, the odd strange thing you have from home, like Marmite or Bovril or something. But yeah, here it is, very easy to find. Just Google Overseas supermarket and there it is. Princess, can you get out? Come on then. Come on, hang on. Come on, be careful. Oh, you're just going to leave, aren't you? Where's Liam? Come on then, let's go see Liam. Where's Liam? Hang on, calm down. Come on. Come on. Go. Liam? Keep going. Keep going. No, this way. Come on. Where's Liam? You're going to have to call her. Who was that? She doesn't know what that is, oh, did you miss them? It was nice to be home. Right, that is it. So now we've got everyone here. We've got the dog back, we've got Liam and Shannon back, me and Mandy are back. We're all settled into the main house in Castillo Lanzarote, and we're just about to leave to go and pick the whole family up from the airport. So that'll be it for this week, and then next week's video will be the family, the vow renewal ceremony, and everything we're going to get up to for the week. So stay tuned, it should be interesting.